I made over 1.8 million Naira with this particular website. When you come over to withdraw right now and I come over to my currency and tap on this NGN, you can actually see that I have made over 1,864,486 Naira 62 Kobo. Right over here, I can actually go ahead to place a withdrawal of this 1.8 million right now. But I'm going to be showing you how this platform works and how you can make such amount of money just in a single day. The reason why I was able to earn such amount of money in Naira was because this particular platform pays you in dollar and also in Naira. It also pays in other country currencies, but right now you can see that my available balance is over 1,125 USDT, that is $1,125 right on this platform. So when you go ahead to click on your preferred country currency, you can see that this particular amount in USDT will be converted to your own local currency. Like I said earlier, this is actually the NGN, and you can see that I just made over 1.8 million Naira just in this app, and I'm going to be showing you the steps you need to take to make such amount of money using this platform. As a proper introduction, if you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Joaquin. So what I do on this platform is that I show you several ways which you can earn online. So right now, all I want you to do is to please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and drop a comment after watching this video. I would like to take you step by step so you can get to understand how this platform works, alright? So once you click the first link below the description of this video, it's going to bring you over to this interface where you have to create an account for yourself to sign in. So you just have to input an email address over here, then come down here and click on next, then follow the prompt to create an account for yourself. Now your question will be, what exactly does this platform does? Alright, so this platform is a trading platform that allows you earn every single day, every single hour, and every single time. You don't have to worry because there are signals groups that you can join and get signals to trade on this platform. There are several groups that actually gives you assistance to trade perfectly on this platform and earn every single day. Now, starting from this interface, because this is where you'll be landed immediately you create an account for yourself. So right now you can actually see the calculator, the invites, the copy trading, and also the simulation. Alright, now the first thing you want to do is to know about the signal groups before you go ahead trading on this platform. So you can actually find the trading signals group below the description of this video. However, before going over to the trading signal groups, you can come down here where you see top trade and click on the BTC 28. Alright, so it's going to take you over to the trading market. Okay, so this is actually the trading market where you can actually get to trade according to the signals you're getting from the trading signal group. And so while trading on this platform, there are two things you need to put in place. You can actually see that we have an issue number which ends with 206. It changes according to time. Alright, and you can also see that we have 1 minute timer, we have the 3-minute timer, and we have the 5-minute timer. Okay, so these are periods on this platform. You can also see that you can select the type, which is the big, small, odd, even, big odd, small odd, big even, and small even. So these are what you'll be taking notes on this platform to be able to win trade on this platform. So right now I'll go ahead to show you how you can actually use the trading signal group to place a trade on this platform so you can always get a win every single time. And note that once you're actually using this particular platform to trade and you actually follow the calculator I'll be showing you in this video, and you have 6 times consecutive loss, you will be given a commission. I mean, you'll be getting 80% of the money you have invested on this platform. And so guys, this is the official group of this particular platform where you can actually follow the signals coming from this Telegram channel to place your trade. So right now you can see that this particular Telegram channels updates its signals, in which you can see that the transaction type reads 1 minute, the current period actually reads this particular number, which you will only take note of the last 3 numbers, which is the 216, and you can see that the trade is odd. So these are what you should take note while trading on this platform. So for instance, if you want to place trade using that particular signal we got from the Telegram channel, what you just need to do is to come over here that says 1 minute. Okay, so you must see that this particular issue number tallies with what you actually got from that particular Telegram channel. Then you come down here and select the type that you got from the Telegram signal. Okay, so these are what you'll be doing to place trade on this platform to earn every single day for yourself. But before I go ahead showing you how to officially trade on this platform, you will need to fund your account to start up with this platform. Now to fund your account, you will need to go over to assets, which is your profile. All right, you will see where it's written recharge. Just click on the recharge button and it's going to take you over to this interface. You can actually recharge using your cryptocurrency, but I prefer using my local bank account. So what I just want to do is to come down here and click on fiat currency. Okay, so once you click on that, you can actually see the Egypt and other countries. So I'm actually recharging this platform with my Naira account. So what I just need to do is to come down to NGN, and you're going to see where you can enter the recharge amount, which the minimum recharge is 3,000 Naira. So you can just go ahead to click on 3,000 Naira. So once that is done, you just have to come down here and click on next. So once you click on next, it's going to bring you over to this interface where it's asking you to choose payments. Okay, so you can actually just click on pay now. So once you click on pay now, it's going to take you to an interface where you need to confirm this, and it's going to direct you over to an interface where you just have to copy an account number, then send in the exact fund that you want to use to recharge your account. So once that is done, this is going to reflect on your account. Then you can now go ahead to start trading on this platform. So what I just showed you was one part of trading on this platform. You can also use the color prediction to trade on this platform, which the color prediction also has its own Telegram signal group. So you don't have anything to be scared about using this platform. Once you go ahead clicking on the color prediction, it's going to bring you over to the interface where you can actually start trading using the color prediction. All right, so you just have to go over to the Telegram channel where you see the color prediction, and you can actually use the signals coming from this Telegram channel to trade on this platform. You can also find the link to this color prediction below the description of this video. And so guys, this is the official page for the color prediction on that platform. So once you actually want to use the color prediction to place a trade on that platform, you will need to come over to the color prediction channel to get signals before you can be able to trade on that platform. So you can see that this particular platform has the market and also trading platforms that can actually give you signals that you can actually use to trade and win on this platform. So once you are able to follow these signals from these two Telegram channels, getting signals from these particular channels to trade on that platform, you're going to be getting a win. Like I said earlier, if you continue trading on this platform and peradventure you get losses on this particular platform, you'll be getting 80% of your refund using this table I'm going to be showing you right now. So right now, this is the calculator you should be working with. So once you're able to work with this calculator and you have several losses on this platform, you'll be getting 80% refund from this platform. So right now, what you just want to enter right here is the total amount you have on your account. So I'm just going to input the amount I have, total amount I have on my account. So right now you can see that this particular calculator has actually separated my capital for me, so I can be able to have a win on this platform while trading. This is how to use this particular calculator. What you just want to do is to start trading with 3.3. So once you keep earning on this platform, you keep earning with the 3.3. So once you have any losses while trading with the 3.3, you move to the second phase, which is the 6.9. That means you need to trade with the 6.9 once you have losses. Okay, so once you keep trading with the 6.9 and you are actually getting a win, you keep on using that particular figure 6.9 to trade. And once you eventually have losses on that particular 6.9 while trading, you move over to 14.5. So once you are able to use this calculator to trade and you have losses after doing all this, you'll be getting a refund of your capital. So that is why it's advisable you use this calculator while trading on this platform. As you can see right here that this particular user has been sent a compensation for having losses on this platform. That is why it is advisable you use the calculator while trading on this platform. So right now, let me go ahead to show you how you can possibly trade on this platform and earn every single time for yourself. Now, before you can start trading, make sure you take note of this first trading amount, which is 3.3. Okay, so like I explained earlier, make sure you put in your exact amount that you have on your dashboard, then click on calculate. So it's going to separate your capital for you. So for me, I'm actually using the 3.3 to start my trade. So now you have put in all these things in place. The next thing for you to do is to place a trade. Okay, so once you're on your profile, what you just need to do is to come down to this BTC28, click on it, and it's going to take you over to this interface. Please be reminded that we are taking note of this issuing number, which is the last 3-digit number of the issuing number. Then we are also taking note of the minutes we are actually using on this platform, and we are also taking note of the type, whether big or small. So right now we are going over to the Telegram channel to pick the signal and come back here to trade on this platform. So right now you can see that the period ID is 358 and we are actually trading even. So you head back to your account, select 1 minute. Okay, so we are actually going to select even. Okay, 358 and we are selecting even. Okay, so this is even and we are actually trading with 3.3. So I'm going to input 3.3, then tap on trade. So once I tap on trade, this is actually going to trade for me right now. So this is actually how you can trade using this platform. All right, you can see order generated. We have actually placed a trade on this platform. You can go on and keep trading using the signal from the Telegram channel to win every single time for yourself. And so that is how you can use the process of your calculator to trade on this platform. You can keep on earning using these Telegram signals to earn every day for yourself on this platform. You can find all the links mentioned on this video below the description of this video and also on the pinned comment section. I hope you got value from this video, and if you did, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. See you on my next video and keep winning.